Welcome back, guys, to another video here. As you can see in one of our last videos, the Gilson cookout was a great success. So we're moving up and onward to better things here. We're gonna do a little lemonade stand, but first we gotta get a lemonade stand built. As you can see, we started working on it here. And we got a couple pallets that we're gonna try and fabricate some sort of stand. Stay tuned. Now we're out here pallet hunting. Might have spotted a good one, but we don't know. Got enough wood for us? Maybe. Let's see if we can't find enough. That's pretty good. That one's a bit too, mangled. We're gonna go see if we can go back around and find a couple more because doing some Austin Powers type right here. This is a good turn. Tell me when you spot anything good. Oh, got some stuff right up here. Boys, we gotta go. We got a truck on our ass right now. They found out what we're doing. We gotta move it. Oh, look, he's following us. We gotta go. Okay, so we were only able to get one pallet before we got chased out. So this is gonna have to do for now. Hopefully it'll work. All right, let's get her taken apart. So we kind of got our tabletop set up here, and our plan is to come with boards along here and just attach between the prongs or the rungs. So basically we can have one big wooden just flat piece that just lowers right on, and then hopefully it will stay really easy. So should be decent. The old hack back at it again. Go for it. Oh, come in the pipe a little bit, rub it around.
How fucking tight do you need it?
We're bending it. There's a little work here at GKPPS headquarters. Go, 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 go. It's gonna fucking shatter on us. Okay, let's get a little bit over here. Oh, put a knife.
What?
Put a good.
Holy.
We
gotta bend it back.
Hey boys, you like the
Oh my
twig?
god,
guys, that's your new stick.
Yeah.
oh my god.
I'm out of here, bro. You guys can deal with bro. Here we are, the aftermath of GKPPS.
GKPPS workers' comp. That went.
Wait, let's get a quick. Jesus Christ.
I don't know. No, y'all are fine. So I've drilled 2 holes in this bar here. We're replacing this. Right on the side of the Gilson. There's 1 hole there, 2, and it's gonna come along and support this rack. After getting 1 bolt on there, not too bad. Get that in there, 2 holes in the top, and should be good. Be stuck on. Okay, so I just finished welding this bracket on here, and this just supports it so it's not resting on the muffler here. But yeah, I welded it on here. We might bolt it to this, but we're not sure yet. We'll see how stable it is. But yeah, that's the other side. All right, so now we're on the other side. We took this plate and just cut the whole side off for the gas tank. I've got this nut and bolt in. So now I think we're gonna cut that part of the orange bar, put it on the other side, so it's gonna look pretty symmetrical. And we measured it out, so they're pretty much equal on how high above the tire they are. So we got this bent to how I think it'll work out. We need to take out that bolt because that's the hole we're gonna use, and then we can see if we can do a little bit of adjustments, but I think it'll work out. Okay, so we got it all mocked up here. So we just took the bolt out, threw a longer bolt in, attached this here, and so now this is gonna rest on here. We still gotta weld that a bracket here to hold it up here. We're gonna attach it to the rack. But yeah, that looks pretty good. I think we gotta drill a hole here to mount this bar to the rack. And then drill another hole here, maybe, just so it supports it better, and cut this little thing off. Yeah, and then we should be good. That's about it. All right, so we finally got this second plate on the side, and we did a nice welding job here. So both of them have this little piece we're gonna cut that off, and then we're drilling a hole in each one, so they're kind of bracketed down on there. So we got that big chunk cut off there, so it looks real nice. So both sides are nice and uniform. Got the bolts in there, so now we just gotta grind this down, and then we can finally finish the wood thing. What happened there, Patrick? Oh, we just fell off because we grinded it down, so we have to weld it again. But that's sturdy. That is actually really sturdy. The shop boy ripped this off of someone's car, and it might actually be useful. So we're putting down our wood platform here on the back. Problem we have is we have the muffler right there. So we're thinking we're gonna build a little bit of a heat shield with this and then place it on top. So we're gonna hopefully not start a little fire. Okay, I just bent this little piece of, it's an old heat shield, fucking the shop boy pulled it off and stuff, and we don't ask questions to shop boy, you know. No, I was definitely want to mount it. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we got the heat shield on there now. We just 2 pop rivets and that should hold it. Alright, here's the plan. I'm gonna lay these kind of thicker 2x4s down along kind of the border of the thing. They're all gonna be a little higher up, so they'll go over the engine there. And then we're gonna cut this one into like 3 equal lengths that will come off this board all along and stick out to hold it all up. So we gotta cut this board and then nail them all down. So we got our 3 boards laid along there, and as you can see, not too bad. Just gotta cut that piece off, and after one more quick cut, not too shabby. All right, we went through and drilled pilot holes because our wonky screws were splitting our boards. Okay, it's kind of a piece of but it'll do. It's not terrible. A little wobbly, not even though. Now we just gotta put the boards on. And there we go. Look at that. Not too bad. I mean, a little janky in some parts. You can see we broke a couple boards. But all in all, it's gonna get the job done. I think that'll work just fine.
Your car this whole semester, just keep your hands up.
See you later. Thanks for the time.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, boys. So we got the table down right here. You know, we can put like lemonade stands and shit on it. We got the little plate going, very fancy. And yeah, that's about it, boys. So I'll see you next time.